So let me know what you think. Try to stand back. Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. And as you can see, I have a Stitch Fix box. I haven't done a Stitch Fix for a while, so I'm pretty excited to get into it. I did get one a few weeks back, but it so wasn't my style, so I just wrapped it up. I didn't even try it on, wrapped it up and sent it back. And I wasn't feeling well, so it was like, yeah, it's going back. So Stitch Fix, as we all know, it's a clothing subscription. You can get it whenever you want. And I have a styling pass, so I can just get it, like it, send it back, don't like it, send it back, whatever. And they've been pretty good to me. I've gotten quite a bit of 5 for 5s. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you really like it. And if you're returning, as always, I so appreciate your loyalty. So when you open it up, they'll give you a styling card on how to style each piece you get in the box. And of course they give you the invoice that tells you how much everything is. And the return bag. And it doesn't appear I got any shoes or bags or jewelry because it's just this bundle of colors. So let's get into it. I usually ask for like complete outfits, whether it's a top or pants with a necklace or a pair of shoes or a handbag. They can mix it up, and they usually do pretty good. But last month was just a hot mess, so I wasn't even gonna go there. So the first thing that they sent me are a pair of high-rise slim boot jeans. I'm not sure about these guys. They're high-rise. It's the color that's throwing me for a loop. They are boot cut, but it's kind of a funky color. I don't mind the, ouch, there's a pin in here and it's open. Sorry. Yeah, they have a safety pin and the pin happens to be open. Okay, that is dangerous. Okay. So maybe they like tuck in your tummy, which is fine with me, but I just think it's kind of, see how it's washed out there? And then on the knee, it's got that weird thing going on over there. So I guess I'll have to try these on. And it has the boot cut, and I don't mind that, but I've never seen anything like that. Oh, and those are the Kent high-rise slim boot cut jean in navy. Now this I like, Market and Spruce. And I kind of like that. I like the buttons. So this is the Market and Spruce Gloria Hachi button detail knit top in black and a large. So I like that. And this is the Arty Style Jocelyn Cotton Blend V-neck pullover in brown in a large. So they're just plain pullovers. Oh, I lied. It's not so plain. It's got that, see on the side? I kind of like that. And this is a pink clover. It's got a pocket. Melody single pocket exposed seam knit top, off-white in a large. And it has so I kind of like that. I just like these plain pullovers, and it feels kind of soft. I like that. And this, I don't know, might be too tight. Don't like things tight around my neck. And this is Fortune and Ivy in a large. Hediya cowl neck rib knit top in a brown. But I don't like things like tugging at my neck. But it is a super pretty color. So I don't know, what do you think of that? The only thing that's bothering me are these funky doodle pants. They're just kind of a weird color, and the top looks like they're wet, and then the bottom. So I don't know. So I'm going to be back with the try-on, and we'll see. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. I have on the Kent high-rise slim bootcut jeans with the pink clover Melody single pocket in the off-white. So let me know what you think. Try to stand back. I think I'll lower you here. So this is the pocket, and it's got the collar with the matching cuff. I don't think it looks too bad. We have some shuffle borders outside here today. And these are the jeans. I don't know if you can tell that it's got the darker, whoops, it's got the darker, they do pull up high. Actually, they're not as bad as I thought. They're pretty comfortable. So let me know what you think of outfit one, and I'll be back with all the sweaters. Okay, I have on the Market and Spruce Gloria Hassie button detailed in the black, and I really like it. It's got the buttons on each side, and it comes down at a perfect length. It comes down perfect in the back. Super, super comfortable. Hides the belly. And these are the kind of tops that I really like to wear because it hides everything. I could wear it with a long necklace. So I really like this one. Oops. Let me know what you think of this one. And then I've got that one with the collar that I'm not so sure about. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the last top that I almost forgot, so I had to edit it in. It is the RD Style Jocelyn Cotton Blend V-neck pullover, and they're calling this a brown in a size large. It's the most expensive thing, most expensive top. It is $68. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like it, but I do love, it's got this V-neck and the sleeves fit perfect, and it's got this thing over here. Garbage are still going by, so hold on. Late in the day and the garbage men are still going by. It fits super comfortable. I will go back. It fits, and it fits perfect down here. I'm not sure if I'm going to hand wash this. I will probably just put it on delicates like I do all the rest of my tops. And they come out, I just hang them up on a hanger and they come out perfect. So let me know what you think of this top, but I really like it, and I'm pretty sure this box is going to be a 5 for 5 because they're all just comfortable winter style for Arizona tops. So I will be right back. Okay, I have the Fortune and Ivy Hedia cowl neck ribbed in brown, and I was so wrong. I love this sweater. I will try and back up. I thought it would be choking, but it comes at a perfect length, and it hangs. It's a little long, which I can just roll up. I know the color doesn't come across the camera right. It's a good length. I need to try to see if I can move it. The inside picture probably was better, but it's a really pretty color. Let's see if I could move it. But yeah, it's a really pretty color, and it doesn't choke. Got loud out here all of a sudden. So let's just do the recap. The total price, if I kept all 5, is $235 for 5 pieces, including these jeans. The buy all 5 discount takes $58.75, which brings it down to $176.25, which is great. I had a credit, thanks to you guys, of $102.22. My order total would be $74.08, plus there's some crazy tax. So it would probably be $80 for these 5 pieces. And I loved all the sweaters. The jeans, they're growing on me. They're easy to slide on. The length fits great with all my boots. So I don't know, is it a 5 for 5? Comment below. Let me know what you thought of this fix. As I said, it's been a while since I've tried on a fix. So yeah, let me know what you thought. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.